Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for our class of today. You're going to perform a workshop about all the topics we already saw. That was analytics of the line, A and B. Linear functions, the C, and quadratic functions, D and E, okay? And for this one, you are going to do the analytics and you are going to do the graphic only for the B. So you get to practice the graphic of the line by doing the analytics, okay? And that will be all. I'm going to be here, so if you need me, please let me know. And you have until midnight of today to upload this, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. Remember to follow me at all my social media. And don't forget to subscribe. So see you in another video. Bye.